giveaway, trying to give back to the people who follow me, the people who support me, the people that have been since day one on my channel, whether it's Instagram or YouTube. I really couldn't do it without you guys, so I thought of a way of giving back. So I'll be giving away a brand new Dragy. This thing has never been used. I just bought it, brand new in the box, ready to ship out for free. Nothing. I won't be asking no money for this. I won't be asking for you guys to raffle in any type of money. I'm just giving it back, and the only thing I ask for you guys to do in return is tag 3 of your friends down below, like this video, like my YouTube video. Okay, you have to subscribe. When my goal of 4,000 subscribers in YouTube is met and 5,000 in Instagram, I'll be raffling this Dragy out. So simple as that. It's free. So again, all you have to do is 3 simple things. You have to leave a comment tagging 3 of your friends down below. You have to guess the horsepower of my car, which I just took it to the dyno this past weekend. And this giveaway is gonna be raffled out for free when my YouTube reaches 4,000 subscribers and my Instagram reaches 5,000 subscribers. Very easy, very simple. You guys don't have to pay anything. You don't have to send me any money. Simple as that. So as soon as that goal is met, I'll be announcing the winner on my channel. Thank you very much, guys. Catch you on the winner's side.